After initializing a Git repo, what you need to do is like you need to configure your author information. So you are the person who is going to work in this particular Git repo, and when you want to tell the Git that you need to track these changes and preserve these changes in the Git, so we can go back and forth or do the changes as we like, you need to tell Git, okay, these are my information, who am I, so that Git can have an identity associated with each commit. So let's configure our information, our author information, namely username and an email address. So when you configure this information, there are two ways. One method is that you can configure this details, author details, local to the particular repo. Or another method is you can configure your author details globally to the entire system. So since this I'm working on my personal PC, I can configure my Git user information to the entire my PC. So regardless of any repo I work inside my PC, my global user information will be used. Or you can use local repo wise information to the particular repo. So there are advantages of both, but in my case I will go with local repo specific user detail configuration method. So how you can do that is by typing git config. Since I am going to configure it locally for the particular repo, I need to use -- local. But if you need to configure user information for the entire Git system, you can type -- global. Okay. So I'm calling it local method. Then you need to type user.name. Then you need to provide your name. Then you need to give the email address. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay. Now if I type git config -l, you can see your Git information that will be used by this particular system. So that's all for today. Let's meet up in our next video.